Namaste and welcome to another flow with me. My name is Alice. Today I'm gonna guide you into a 15 minutes flow that feels really good for the whole body. It's something that I usually do, it's a sequence that I usually do in the morning when I wake up. And it's literally for everyone. Even if you are a completely new beginner, this flow will give you a lot of energy and a lot of beautiful sensations. We're gonna start in a seated position, cross legs if it feels good. You can sit on a block as well if you want. Bring your palms facing up, your hands resting on your knees. Allow your eyes to rest, to close, and just start to focus purely on your breath. Deep breaths through the nose, arriving in this space on your yoga mat, and finally connecting with yourself again. It's you and your breath, nothing more. Try to relax. Try to think of these breaths as a way to cleanse your body, as well as your mind from anything related to the past and the future. Now start by gently twisting your head from side to side. Maybe keep your eyes closed. Try to maintain your shoulders still and see if you can really bring awareness into your neck and your head. Now start to take half rotations, lengthening and stretching the back of your neck. Always breathing through the nose, really without forcing anything, just allowing your body to relax and allow yourself to tune into your practice. If it feels good, you can go into a full neck rotation. And again, try not to move your shoulders. Focus on extending and lengthening all sides of your neck. Do these rotations clockwise and anti-clockwise. Breathing in and breathing out when you lower your head. This should feel so good and so relaxing. When you're done, come back to center. I'm gonna show you from the side. Inhale, interlace the fingers behind your head. Exhale, tuck your chin under and gently press the back of your head down. So again, you should start to feel the back of your neck lengthening. Every time you exhale, see if you can lower a little lower, a little more. Maybe you will start to feel the upper back, middle, perhaps your lower back too. But try to stay where you feel the tension. We want to release the stress, release any trauma caused by our daily routine. Stay with your breath. Then take a deep breath in to lift back up, open the chest, straighten your spine, and exhale, release your hands. Nice. Coming back to face you and focusing on the shoulders. Inhale, bring the shoulders up, both shoulders rotating. Exhale, push them back. Inhale again. Exhale, back and down. Same opposite side. Inhale, back, up, and exhale, forward. Nice. Connecting these very slow movements with your breath. Inhale, lift the arms up, hands in prayer. Exhale, bring your energy down towards your heart chakra. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, lower, bring this energy with you, inside you. Again, inhale, lengthen, absorb this energy. Keep it with you, spread it within the body. Nice, guys. Again, I will show you from the side. This time, we're gonna bring our hands into an eagle position. So cross them, lift them up, and bring your palms to touch. And now see if you can lift your elbows a little bit more. This should feel really, really good and pleasant for your back and in between your shoulder blades. Take a few breaths and then do it on the other side. As in crossing your arms on the opposite side. Lift up your arms. Create that space between your shoulders. And then slowly inhale, open the chest. Exhale, release your arms down. Now firmly grab your ankles with your hands. When you inhale, open the chest, bring your shoulders back and raise your head. When you exhale, curve your back, tuck your chin under and squeeze gently the tummy in. Inhale, open the chest. Here we are working on the whole spine. Exhale, curve. Inhale, open. It's a sort of cat-cow movement from seated pose. Exhale. Maybe grab your knees, see if it feels better. Inhale, arch, open the chest. Exhale, curve, look down towards your tummy. Deep, deep breath in, open, receive the energy. Exhale, let go all the things you don't need anymore. Again, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Lifting back up. Spinal twist, right hand behind your back, left to grab the right knee. Inhale. And exhale, twist, look behind you. Now try and maintain a straight spine. Really open the chest when you breathe in and twist a little bit more when you breathe out. Lift your arms when you inhale. Twist on the opposite side, left hand behind your back. And right hand to grab your left knee, same thing, take a few breaths, lengthening through the spine when you inhale and twisting the body, looking back when you exhale. Slowly releasing, deep breath in, energy rises, exhale, energy back towards the center. Now coming into a tabletop position, try to find the alignment here. So starting to press the palms down and leaning back and forth, warming up the wrists. Alignment, by alignment I mean that your shoulders and your hands should be on the same line, and your knees and your hips on the same one too. You can do different wrists warm up. These are some of my favorites. They are quite strong, but they are really, really good to awaken your wrists. Bring your palms facing the sky and your fingers facing your knees. Maybe give your fingers a little shake. Leaning back and forth if it feels good. Otherwise stay, because this one is really, really intense. And then when you're ready, find your alignment again. Again, here I'm showing you the alignment straight. Cat-cow. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, push the floor away with your hands. Really suck the tummy in and look towards it. Inhale, open the chest, open the shoulders. Exhale, push the floor away. Suck it in, look at the tummy. Again, deep, deep breath in, rising, arching. Exhale, tuck under. Inhale, up. And exhale, down. Inhale, back up. Why not? Once more. And exhale, back down. I like to add some free flows in the practice. So if it feels good, allow yourself to take a bit of wild rotations and movements, really feeling the whole body awakening. Here I love these movements because I feel the sides of my torso lengthening and really creating this space. Breathing always through the nose, tucking the toes under, lifting for 1 or 2 inches your knees. See if you can hold it here for a few breaths, creating space between the shoulder blades, so you really have to push the floor away with your hands here. And then coming back into your downward facing dog. Lengthening the hamstrings, we inhale and we exhale to bring the heels back down. So really working on moving the feet here. And with the breath. Inhale, lifting the heels up towards the sky, and exhale, press them back down. Allow yourself to bend your knees if you feel still too much tension on the hamstrings. They don't have to be necessarily straight. You just want to feel your hamstrings and your spine, everything slowly warming up. Now lift the right leg straight up, bend the knee, and open the hip. Feel your left hamstring and your right hip lengthening and opening. And then slowly come back into your downward facing dog. We do the same on the other side, lengthening the left leg, bending the knee, opening up the hip. Keep your shoulders square if you can. And then slowly coming back down into downward facing dog. Now looking forward, inhale coming into plank, exhale drop your knees, chest, chin, Ashtanga Namaskar-asana. Leaning forward to come into a back bend, cobra position. So trying to bring the chest forward and the shoulders back. You can press gently your hands down on the mat. Really staying here, breathing and allowing your spine to awaken. Bring your hands by your chest. Inhale. Now open your chest a little more. Press a little more on the floor. Exhale, come back down. Inhale, twist. Look at the right foot. Exhale, coming back down. Inhale, twist over the left. Exhale, back down. Inhale to center. Open the chest. Exhale, back down. Same. Inhale, twist to the right. Exhale, back down. Inhale, twist to the left, and exhale back down. Push the floor away, child pose. Come into your resting position. This is a position that you should take every time you feel tired, you feel uncomfortable, you feel fatigued, you don't feel ready to move forward or to keep flowing. Just relax. I always like to move my hips to the right and to the left, just creating that little extra space within the hips. Rest your forehead on the ground, if you can, and then slowly lift back up into your downward facing dog. Take gentle steps forward and come into a forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And exhale, fold a little bit more. Again, knees can be bent, doesn't matter if they're not straight. Inhale, forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, forward. Exhale, fold. Grab your elbows, my favorite. Start to bend your knees a little bit more. Say yes and no with your head. Let go. Let go the stress, the tension. Feel how good this is for your back, for your spine, your shoulders, your arms. Shake that booty. Create that space. Enjoy. Drop your arms. Feel wild. Let go. Shake it all. Shake it all. Shake it all. Yes, guys. Move, 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 keep moving, and then slowly, slowly, slowly feel vertebra by vertebra and lift back up into standing position. Feels so good. One last thing to finish and to really feel hyper energized is a little shake. Close your eyes and just shake your legs, shake your arms, shake your whole body, your shoulders. Drop down, lift back up, lift your arms, jump, move, 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 move. No one is watching you, no one is judging you. Let go. Feel this energy coming up. Yes, letting go. Deep breath in. Exhale again, inhale. Letting go once more, starting to control it a little bit more. Now slowly exhale through the nose. Wow, full of energy. These ecstatic moves are always my favorite. I hope you liked it, guys, and I hope you feel energized. Have fun, have a beautiful day, and I hope to see you again soon. Woohoo! Namaste.